have, has. Positive and negative sentences. Have for a positive sentence. I, you, we, they have. Don't have for a negative sentence. I, you, we, they don't have. I have a pencil. I don't have a pen. You have a green book, but you don't have a green highlighter. In the classroom, we have a board, but we don't have a computer. In the schoolyard, they have 2 slides, but they don't have a swing. Has for a positive sentence. He, she, it has. Doesn't have for a negative sentence. He, she, it doesn't have. He has a motorcycle. He doesn't have a car. She has a brother. She doesn't have a sister. It has a long neck. It doesn't have any fingers. Practice. Fill in the blanks.